Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be having a look at markets.com. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Markets.com is a global online trading platform that provides access to a wide range of financial instruments. Known for its user-friendly interface and advanced trading tools, Markets.com caters to both beginner and experienced traders. The platform offers competitive spreads, real-time market data, and an array of analytical tools to help traders make informed decisions. Regulated by multiple financial authorities, Markets.com ensures a secure and transparent trading environment. With its innovative technology and dedicated customer support, the platform continues to be a preferred choice for traders seeking a comprehensive and reliable trading experience. The broker offers a diverse range of trading instruments, allowing traders to access global financial markets with ease. The platform provides opportunities to trade Forex, featuring major, minor, and exotic currency pairs, with competitive spreads. Stocks from leading global companies are available for trading, enabling users to speculate on price movements across various industries. Additionally, Markets.com offers indices trading, giving traders exposure to major stock market benchmarks. Commodities, including gold and oil, as well as natural gas, can be traded for those looking to diversify their portfolios. The platform also supports cryptocurrency trading, allowing users to trade popular digital assets. With a broad selection of instruments, Markets.com caters to traders seeking a comprehensive and dynamic trading experience. Markets.com is a fully regulated trading platform, ensuring a secure and transparent trading environment for its users. The platform operates under the oversight of multiple reputable financial authorities, such as the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission in the European Union, and other regulatory bodies in various jurisdictions. These regulations ensure that Markets.com adheres to strict financial standards, including client fund protection, secure transactions, and compliance with global trading laws. By maintaining regulatory approval from trusted authorities, Markets.com provides traders with confidence and peace of mind while navigating the financial markets. Markets.com offers a range of bonuses and promotions designed to enhance the trading experience for its clients. These promotions may include deposit bonuses, cashback rewards, and exclusive trading incentives, providing traders with additional value. Markets.com tailors its offers to different regions and account types, ensuring traders can benefit from competitive rewards while complying with regulatory guidelines. With these promotions, the platform aims to support traders by giving them extra capital and opportunities to maximize their trading potential. Markets.com offers a rewarding partnership program designed for affiliates, introducing brokers and financial professionals looking to grow their business. The program provides competitive commission structures, real-time tracking tools, and dedicated support to help partners maximize their earnings. With access to a trusted and regulated trading platform, partners can introduce traders to a wide range of financial instruments while benefiting from attractive incentives. The broker ensures transparency, reliability, and strong collaboration, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a profitable and long-term partnership in the financial markets. Markets.com offers a Refer a Friend program, allowing traders to earn rewards by inviting others to join the platform. Participants can refer friends and receive a bonus once the referred individual meets the required trading criteria. This program provides an easy way for traders to benefit while sharing a trusted and regulated trading platform. With a straightforward referral process and attractive incentives, Markets.com rewards its clients for expanding its trading community. The broker offers a welcome bonus, where new traders can receive a 50% bonus on their initial deposit. This promotion helps users get more value to kickstart their trading journey, with specific terms and conditions applying. The broker also offers a loyalty bonus to existing customers, providing an additional 20% trading bonus. This bonus is designed to enhance the trader's ability to engage in more trades with extra capital. Their loyalty bonus is available for limited times and can help boost trading activity, offering customers greater flexibility in their investment strategies. The Broker's Markets Club is a prestigious program aimed at rewarding active traders. The club offers exclusive benefits including personalized support, special promotions, and tailor-made offers based on a trader's activity. This VIP experience helps members maximize their trading potential with added perks such as higher rewards and greater service. The club is designed for traders who want to take their trading to the next level, offering a unique blend of advantages and premium features. Markets.com offers a range of advanced trading platforms designed for both beginners and experienced traders. These platforms feature a user-friendly interface, powerful tools, and various asset classes to trade. Traders can access web-based, mobile, and desktop platforms, each equipped with real-time data, charts, and a variety of customizable features to enhance the trading experience. Markets.com's proprietary trading platform offers a unique and tailored trading experience. Designed with both novice and professional traders in mind, it features advanced charting tools, real-time data, and seamless integration for a smooth trading experience across various devices. The platform enables users to trade a wide range of assets while benefiting from customized functionalities that help enhance their trading strategies. Markets.com's proprietary mobile trading platform is designed for on-the-go traders, providing all the essential tools and features for seamless trading from any location. It offers real-time market data, advanced charting, and a user-friendly interface, making it easy to manage trades and monitor market movements. The platform ensures a smooth and efficient trading experience, whether on smartphones or tablets. The broker offers functionality with the TradingView trading platform, which provides traders with powerful charting and analysis tools. It integrates seamlessly into the trading experience, offering real-time market data, interactive charts, and a wide variety of technical indicators. The platform is ideal for traders who want to perform in-depth analysis and execute trades quickly, all while benefiting from TradingView's robust features. Markets.com offers both the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, which are two of the most widely used trading platforms in the industry. These platforms are known for their advanced charting, technical analysis tools, and automated trading capabilities. MetaTrader 4 focuses on Forex trading, while MetaTrader 5 offers additional features for a broader range of assets. Both platforms provide a seamless trading experience, allowing users to trade with precision. The broker's Trading Central platform offers traders a suite of advanced analysis tools and resources to help inform their decision-making. It provides access to real-time market insights, technical indicators, and expert research. With these tools, traders can enhance their market strategies, refine their analysis, and gain a competitive edge in their trading experience. Markets.com's social trading platform allows users to mirror the trades of experienced traders, offering a hands-on learning experience and the opportunity to profit from others' expertise. It provides a community-driven environment where traders can share strategies and insights. The platform is ideal for beginners who want to grow their trading skills while potentially earning through the strategies of more seasoned investors. Users can easily find top traders to follow, making social trading an accessible and engaging way to participate in the markets. Markets.com offers various trading account types tailored to different traders' needs. These include the classic account, suitable for beginners and experienced traders, with competitive leverage and a wide range of CFDs, as well as their Pro account. Traders can also enjoy enhanced services and bonuses through the Markets Club program, which offers tiered benefits based on deposit levels. Each account type provides options for multiple base currencies, customizable leverage, and access to trading tools. The broker's Classic trading account is designed for both new and experienced traders. It provides access to a wide range of financial instruments with competitive leverage options. Traders can enjoy commission-free trading and use the platform's tools to manage and execute their strategies. This account is suitable for those seeking flexibility and a straightforward trading experience. Markets.com's Pro Trading account is tailored for more experienced traders, offering enhanced features and benefits. This account type provides access to tighter spreads and additional services, including higher leverage and personalized support. Traders using the Pro account can enjoy advanced trading tools and resources designed to optimize their strategies and improve their overall trading experience. The broker also offers an Islamic trading account, which is specifically designed for traders who follow Sharia law. It provides a swap-free trading environment, ensuring that no interest is charged or paid on overnight positions. This account type allows traders to engage in the same range of instruments as other accounts while adhering to Islamic principles. It offers flexible trading options and access to advanced tools, with no additional fees for maintaining positions overnight. The broker's demo trading account offers traders the opportunity to practice and refine their skills without risking real capital. It provides access to real-time market conditions, enabling users to test strategies, explore platform features, and become familiar with various tools in a risk-free environment. This account type is ideal for beginners looking to build confidence to practice new strategies. Creating an account with Markets.com is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, simply click on the Sign Up button. What you'll want to do next is create your preferred trading account. You can either create a live account or a demo account. Submit your personal information, and what you'll want to do next is set up and verify your preferred trading account type. After your account has been set up and verified, you will then need to download your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the Markets.com proprietary trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is Markets.com's proprietary trading platform. On the left side of the dashboard, you have your market watch. You can easily switch between all of Markets.com's available market instruments directly from this panel. On the right side of the dashboard, you have your chart. Markets.com provides a wide variety of chart types, indicators, and drawing tools to help you customize your chart according to your preferences. And at the top right of the dashboard, you have a nice and simple one-click buy and sell order window. If you require any additional information, Markets.com provides a wide variety of news, insights, an economic calendar, and much more. If you are new to the broker's trading platforms, you can find a wide variety of educational resources over on the Learn panel to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. The broker provides a wide range of deposit and withdrawal methods to cater to various preferences, including credit and debit cards, e-wallets like PayPal and Neteller, as well as wire transfers. Deposits are processed quickly with no fees, though some payment methods may involve charges from the provider. Withdrawals are typically processed within 1 to 3 business days, depending on the method chosen. For larger withdrawals, users may be required to verify their identity. Markets.com prioritizes security and strives to ensure seamless and secure transactions for its users. The broker provides extensive educational resources designed to support both new and experienced traders. Their offerings include a comprehensive glossary, trading basics, and an informative video library. For those seeking personalized guidance, Markets.com also offers webinars and live streams hosted by professional traders. The site also features an academy that deepens a trader's understanding of trading strategies. With tools like Trading Central and the Traders Clinic, Markets.com ensures that traders can continually develop their skills and stay informed on the latest market trends. Additionally, Markets.com provides timely and insightful news and analysis to support traders making informed decisions. The platform features market updates, expert commentary, and in-depth reports on key financial events and trends. With a focus on major markets like Forex and commodities, these resources help users stay ahead of market shifts. Additionally, tools like Trading Central offer detailed technical analysis to guide traders. Markets.com has earned several prestigious awards recognizing its excellence in trading services. These accolades reflect the platform's commitment to providing cutting-edge tools, exceptional customer support, and a user-friendly trading experience. Some of their most recent awards include the Best and Most Secure Trading Platform, Exceptional Trading Experience, the Best and Most Trusted Broker, the Best Trading Conditions, among many other awards. The awards highlight the broker's leadership in financial technology and innovation, further reinforcing its reputation as a trusted and reliable platform for traders worldwide. Overall, Markets.com stands out as a leading online brokerage platform that caters to a diverse range of traders, from beginners to seasoned professionals. With its user-friendly interface and powerful trading tools, it simplifies the often complex world of financial markets, offering traders the ability to access a wide array of assets, including Forex, stocks, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. One of the platform's key strengths is its competitive spreads, which help ensure that traders can execute their strategies effectively and efficiently. Markets.com also boasts an advanced charting system offering in-depth analysis tools to assist traders in making well-informed decisions. For those who are new to trading, the platform offers a range of educational resources, including tutorials and webinars, designed to enhance a trader's understanding of the financial markets and to improve trading skills. Moreover, Markets.com's customer support services are highly regarded, with a dedicated team available to assist traders with any inquiries or issues that may arise. The platform's commitment to security is evident, ensuring that all transactions are conducted in a safe environment, which is essential for building trust with its users. The availability of various deposit and withdrawal methods further adds to its accessibility, enabling seamless transactions for users across different regions. For traders looking for a reliable and comprehensive platform that combines innovation, functionality, and a customer-first approach, Markets.com proves to be a strong contender. Whether you are looking to explore the world of Forex trading, delve into stocks, or diversify your portfolio with commodities and cryptocurrencies, Markets.com offers the necessary tools, resources, and support to help you succeed in the dynamic financial landscape. Markets.com is a solid choice for anyone serious about their trading journey, combining cutting-edge technology with an unwavering focus on user satisfaction. And that is our overview of Markets.com. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.